name is Carter, and today we're going to be picking up a toy. I'm at my house right now. My brother has a truck, and we're going to go pick it up. The guy said 700 cash, so I said, bet. I did it the same day I got home from school. I texted him, let's do it, so we're going to go pick it up right now. Alright, so it's actually the next morning. I got home late last night because it was at dark and the guy didn't come, so I said I'll pick it up. And it's right in front of me. I'm going to show you here. 3, 2, 1. There it is. I got a little XR80R. It's a very clean bike. My buddy gave it to me. He said 700 cash, so I said yes, let's do it. Has good tread on the tires. Has aftermarket, or I think aftermarket shifter. Clutch is very, very good. New brake. Good brake. Brakes all work. No, there's no crack cases or anything. Carburetor's good. I didn't check the air filter yet, but the only thing it needs is a seat, which don't really matter. So around the duct tape seat, but that's the only thing it needs. It's a little project bike, and I just want to make this video because I got a new bike. We can start filming Moto videos now. Everything's good on it. I'll probably do a little upgrades like paint this black and get a new seat, wash it all down, but yeah, I took it around here yesterday just a little bit, just to see everything works. But today I'm going to take it right here and just go through all the gears. I think I only went through 3 or 4 gears at his house, but I know all the gears here. He's not going to scam me. It's 2002, you can see that, 2002 XR80R. So let's start it up. As you know, Hondas have keys. I love that. He started at first kick, so. A couple warm-up kicks. Turn the choke on, or turn the gas on first. Couple of these. Alright, let's turn it on. It's not gonna idle because it's cold out. Yep, didn't idle. That was me, not the bike. I'm trying to choke off. No smoke, no. I turn it on for a couple seconds, already idling. You see no smoke? No smoke. One thing that worries me is I don't know if XRs have low compression, but this one has low compression. I don't know. I think you can. I think it's an easy fix, but if not, I'll just go ahead and fix it. Yeah, that's it. Already warmed up. A little smoke. But then all the seat. That's all you need is the seat. It's 1 down, 4 up, I'm pretty sure. Not too positive. Like I said, there's long tread on it, or this one has good tread. The back has good tread too. The back has really good tread. For what I need around here. Yeah, it's pretty good. I could have walked it down all yesterday, but I didn't want to. I was tired. I went to bed early because I went to bed early last night because I'm going to the Pens game today at 2:30. So I said, why not make a video at 8 o'clock in the morning and go through all the gears and show you what it's like. Well, yeah, as I said, the carburetor's clean. There's no crack cases. Where did I check? There's no crack cases. I didn't check the oil, but I believe the guy. It's pretty good. 2002 XR80R. All right, let's ride. First, I'm probably just gonna be taking you around here just to go through probably 1 to 3 gears. All right, let's go here. Turn the choke on. Doesn't really need the choke after it starts, but I forgot to put the key in. Lucky I didn't freaking kick it. It made me look like a fool. Okay. Oh, I didn't kick it hard enough. Oh. Turn the choke off. I don't need the choke. I don't know why I put it on. I don't know even why I put it on, dude. Clutch is nice and strong. I like that. Brake's nice and good. Back brake. Alright. Yeah, this is not riding weather conditions. It's definitely not. I'm slipping everywhere. I'm third gear right now. I probably can't get it to fourth unless I'm on the road. Alright, we're gonna get it in third here. I might as well do this way because I can do that way better. Yeah. I also don't want to slip. So yeah, I'm slipping right now. Put it in second. I don't want to ride it like this. I have to ride on the road, but I'm just gonna warm this up, do a couple heat cycles, act like it's a new bike, like I'm slipping right now. I need to get studded tires, dude. I'm gonna take it on the road, just like right here, so I can just like go through all the gears. In neutral, right? Okay. Okay. It's so slippy there, right there, though. That's what I'm worried about. What the heck? Clutch on. I drove bigger bikes with clutch, and it seems like it's way easier. I hate starting off. Bikes that have like little clutch. I have bikes. There's a dog right there. Open fence too. It's slippy. I hope I don't slip, dude. I just ride this part. Oh my gosh, put it in first gear. We're in first gear. Let's do it. Let's get through all the gears here. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do probably. I don't know if it was all the gears, but it's either fourth or fifth gear. I really don't know. That was it, right there. All the gears are there. Good. That's good. That's really good. Now, let's see if I can even make it up. I'll put it in first gear. Huh? Oh, no, my dad won't let me. I'm not putting this title as an angry Karen. No, he's saying ride it to the yard, but no, my dad won't let me, that's for sure.
I'll get work for a second.
Not already. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.